corns are usually displayed on the fingers and other areas of the feet. This problem occurs when too much friction, or pressure to the feet or hands applies, which creates a defense mechanism which protects the skin against blisters, or ulcers that can be infectious type. Although initially calluses do not generate any illness or discomfort, with the passage of time can become painful or difficult walks different daily activities. Note: other possible causes of corns: dry skin, reduced fat filler, regular blows from objects such as a hammer or the racket, etc. As mentioned earlier, calluses usually occur in the feet, because when we walk, the foot is the part that is mostly exposed to pressure. Athletes, dancers, chefs, musicians are at greater risk of experiencing calluses. However, you should not worry, because in this article we will show you the most effective home remedies, which help get rid of calluses in just a few days. These tricks are very simple. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what to do. Bread and vinegar. You should definitely try this simple, but very effective. Just a piece of bread soaked in white vinegar, and put it on the corn. Cover with cheesecloth and secure with a bandage. Leave on overnight and remove it in the morning. And trust that you will be surprised by the results. Lemon. This is what you have to do. First, you should take a peel of an organic lemon and put it in the callus. Cover with cheesecloth and secure with a bandage, and leave overnight. You can take to remove in the morning. Castor oil. It is very simple. You just need to apply some castor oil in their corns before bedtime. In the morning, you will be surprised by the results.